My name is Mika. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing another review on a product. So I want y'all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and share my video. So today I'm going to be doing a review on Hollywood Hair Bar. Okay, this is the tea bags, and I got the oil. Okay, I got the oil, and I got some of the tea in my spray bottle. I'm gonna show y'all how. I'm gonna tell y'all how I like it and everything. So my water is boiling right now. I got my cup. And this tea smells so good, you guys. Like, oh my God. And this is what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to put about 2 in there. And it smells so good. You know, I'm going to show y'all the ingredients in it. Give you a good close-up of the ingredients in it. And it's basically a herbal hair conditioner tea. Okay. And I use the oil. Yeah, I use the oil. And it says apply for 1 to 3 minutes. Then massage it in. And do it about once a week. Or every 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm about to put my water in my cup. Let me get my mitten. Wait, that's my daughter. Hold on. So I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. It's clear right now. So I'm going to show y'all what you call it. Okay. So I'm swirling it around. And this is a big cup of the conditioner tea. So I let it cool off for a good minute before I put it in my hair. And I love this hair tea. Oh my God, this is like the best thing in my life. Like, for real. Like this is the best thing. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So I'm going to let that cool off. And I'm going to tell y'all what it does to my hair, okay? So I've been using this for a good little minute now. I'm going to use it in my hair now. And I've been using it for a good little minute. And it makes my hair moisturize and everything. And that's my little girl being rude. And how can I put this? It's like a good hair tea for your natural hair, and it makes my hair grow. And I'm gonna show y'all the length that I'm at now. It's ever since I've been using this hair tea. I'm right here, you guys. That's my length right there, you guys, and I love it. Okay, and I did my hair yesterday. If y'all want to go check out that video, go ahead and check that out. And I'm going to show y'all what I did to that. I'm going to show you what I did on that video to my hair. Okay? And the oil is the bomb, let me tell you. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. But it looked like that. It smells so good too. Like, oh my goodness. So, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, that's the end of this video. So I want y'all to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell